So my name is Sarvesh. I am the brand head for Mool. At Mool, what differentiates us is that you get 15 different home style meals at any given point of time from across the country. As an extension to Mool, we curated Mool Kaapi Bar and Bakes. As the name suggests, Mool Kaapi Bar and Bakes is our homage to the South Indian filter coffee and products which are made around the filter coffee. So we have our own blend of Arabica, Robusta and Chicory, which we source from Chikmagalur in Karnataka, and we sell that same blend as authentic as possible in the form of filter coffee and things like this, which is the Capicano, which is our version of the Americano, which is essentially filter coffee with hot water. So Mool Kaapi actually doesn't only have coffee, it also has a lot of food that you can choose from. Of course, it's a casual diner, it's a cafe, so we have an easy menu. And as part of the menu, we have these curated bowls, which are healthy bowls. One of the bowls that we have from the menu is called the Buratta and Barley Salad. So my name is Sarvesh. It's got barley, it's got burrata as the name suggests, but cherry tomatoes, rocket leaves and an orange balsamic vinegar. All together comes off as a beautiful bowl, a very healthy one too, and I'm sure that patrons love it and you're going to love it too. Karnataka, and we have our own blend.